Even before we listed our first property, my sister and I have always been a team. Family is at the core of what we do. After all, it's who we are.
We grew up in a family of real estate business. Our dad, Pat, started the Rocca Group Limited Enterprises, which had planned, leased, and managed more property than any other developer in Atlantic Canada, extending across commercial, industrial, and residential projects. And we are carrying on that family tradition here in Southern Ontario, where we are committed to help Ontario grow, all while retaining that special charm that each community has to offer, just as our dad did. My sister and I have been in the real estate industry since the early 2000s, and in that time we've learned that the most important part of our business is developing a relationship with our clients that lasts well beyond the move-in date.
We develop personal plans with each client. Whether you are a first-time home buyer or a family looking for a bigger property, or if you're just looking to downsize, we have a broad range of properties in our portfolio, including an exclusive list of luxury listings for that perfect summer getaway or the home of your dreams.
We love the community of Burlington, and we're excited to see it grow. Our team regularly participates in community events like the Burlington Christmas Market, Give Thanks and Eat Pie, and the various children's event. We are regularly donating towards the Hamilton Halton SPCA, who need all the help that they can get, giving the animals in our community the loving homes that they deserve.
And as we help our clients enter each new stage of their lives, we are entering our own new stage with the grand opening of our new landmark location, where we can better service Oakville, Burlington, Hamilton, and surrounding areas with their real estate needs.
Our team is dynamic and hardworking. Our networking and marketing is second to none, with access to exclusive listings that you won't find in any other real estate team. If you're planning on selling, we will help you with the planning, our staged and sold action plan to prepare your home for sale, and a successful one at that. Our team is like a family, and with our expertise, we hope to make the journey of home buying or selling as stress-free and enjoyable as possible.
We know every street, store, and subdivision in our communities like the back of our hands, and we will tailor your listing with our advanced marketing strategies to sell your property as quickly and stress-free as possible. And if you're looking to buy, we won't just help you find a house, we'll help you find your home.
We make the process of selling and buying turnkey, simple. For our clients, it's not just about the destination, it's the journey. Our team is passionate about what they do and will help our sellers and buyers every step of the way.
We love what we do because for us, real estate is more than just a transaction. It's a relationship that lasts a lifetime.